Okay, let's take a look at 3 real backend features you use every day without even realizing. So when you hear the word backend and you're not yet a developer, you've just heard about it from other people and you want to get into programming, you should be wondering, what is really this word? Is it some mysterious thing? What is it actually? So let me tell you what backend is actually by showing you 3 backend systems you use every single day without even realizing that these are backend. Okay, the first one is login systems. So think about a login system. When you type your email and password and log in, the button is basically calling a backend route like /login. The backend takes your email, finds the user in the database, compares the password you typed with the #1 stored there, and if it matches, it basically creates a session or a token that sends it back. And that's just a route plus database read plus some logic to decide to allow or deny you into your account. Now let's take a look at another backend feature you use every single day, which is the search feature. So when you type something in the search bar and it searches either another user that you've been stalking, that is basically you interacting with the backend. So anytime you go to the search bar and you hit search, the front end basically sends a request to a route. And this route can be usually simple or more complicated if there are more filters to your search. And the backend then takes those query parameters, builds a database query, and returns the matching row. And this back and forth basically is you interacting with the backend, and this basically shapes your database operations. Finally, we have the classic forgot password flow. So you basically enter your email and the app hits the routes like the /forgot password. The backend checks the database to see if the user exists, creates a reset token, stores it in the database, and emails you the link containing that token. And when you click the link, another route pops up, verifies the token against the database, and if it's valid, it updates your password and in the database. Again, all this back and forth, all this routing and responses and requests is basically you interacting with the database. So if you've heard the term backend a lot and you're wondering what we actually use for the backend, it's not only to store data, it's not only to handle complex requests, it's also to do something as simple to you as logging in. And I say simple to you because to you it's a simple process just to enter your email and your password, but all the verifications, the token storage, the session storage that happens before you're actually able to get into your account, that is where your job as a developer comes in, to build all that securely so no one user can hack into another person's account and steal their information. So if you learned something today, leave a like and see you in the next one.